Yo, what is up everybody? It's Money Mindset. And let me tell you, I am so stoked for this video. We're talking about making bank, like serious cash, but without all the grueling hours. You know that whole hustle harder mentality? Yeah, we're tossing it out the window. Today, it's all about working smarter, not harder. We're diving into 5 side hustles that are so chill, so low-key, you can practically do them in your sleep. Okay, maybe not literally, but you get the point. If you're ready to see your bank account grow without breaking a sweat, then buckle up, smash that like button, and let's make it happen. Want to make $800 a day without spending hours grinding? You're in the right place. Today, I'll show you 5 lazy side hustles that require minimal effort but deliver maximum results. Whether you're short on time or just looking for an easy way to boost your income, these side hustles can get you started right now. Let's dive in. All right, first up, we're hitting the digital world because, let's be real, that's where the money's at. The internet has revolutionized the way we do business, and it's opened up a plethora of opportunities for anyone willing to dive in. Think about it. Ebooks, templates, printables, these are things people are constantly searching for online. They offer convenience, instant access, and often a solution to a problem or a way to enhance their lives. And the best part? You create them once, and they just keep selling like a money-making machine on autopilot. Imagine the freedom of having a product that works for you around the clock, even while you're sleeping or on vacation. It's like printing your own cash, but instead of ink, you're using your brain power. Your creativity and knowledge become your most valuable assets, turning ideas into income. Now, I know what you're thinking. Money mindset, I'm no expert. But here's the thing, you don't need to be a guru to get started. Listen, you don't have to be. Everyone's good at something, whether it's a hobby, a skill, or a unique perspective. There's something you can offer that others will find valuable. Maybe you're a spreadsheet wizard, a design guru, or a fitness fanatic. Each of these skills can be transformed into a digital product that others will pay for. Whatever your jam, package it into a digital product. The key is to take what you know and present it in a way that's accessible and useful to others. There are tons of platforms out there, Etsy, Gumroad, Shopify. They're all waiting for your brilliance. These platforms make it easy to reach a global audience and start selling your products with minimal upfront costs. Here's the pro tip. Don't just create something random and hope for the best. Do your research and understand what people are looking for. Find a niche, a specific problem that people are desperate to solve. The more targeted your product, the easier it will be to market and sell. Budgeting templates for college students, meal planning guides for busy parents, fitness planners for gym junkies, you get the idea. These are all examples of niche products that cater to specific needs. Solve a problem, and the money will follow. People are willing to pay for solutions that make their lives easier or more enjoyable. Imagine waking up to emails saying, "You made a sale," while you were sleeping. It's a fantastic feeling knowing that your hard work is paying off, even when you're not actively working. That's the power of digital products, my friend. They offer a scalable way to generate income without the limitations of time and location. It's passive income at its finest. Once you've set up your digital product and marketing, it can continue to generate revenue with little ongoing effort. So, what are you waiting for? Start brainstorming your digital product today and turn your knowledge into a cash cow. Okay, this next side hustle is so simple, it might blow your mind. Imagine turning the items you already own into a steady stream of income. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. We're talking about renting out your stuff. Yes, you heard that right. Those things lying around your house, the ones you barely use, can actually be money makers. That's right, those things just sitting around collecting dust could be making you serious cash. Think about that old bike in the garage or the camping gear you only use once a year. Got a car that's mostly chilling in the driveway? Maybe you don't use it every day or you have an extra vehicle that's just taking up space. Turo's your new best friend. This app allows you to rent out your car to people who need it, turning your idle vehicle into a money-making machine. People rent out their cars all the time, and you can set your own prices, control the availability. It's like being your own car rental boss. You decide when and how often your car is available. And it's not just cars. Think about all the other items you own that could be making you money. Cameras, tools, musical instruments. If you can think of it, you can probably rent it out on Fat Llama. This platform connects you with people who need to borrow items for short periods. It's like the Airbnb of stuff, connecting people who need things with people who have them. It's a win-win. You get to make money and they get to use the items they need without having to buy them. Think about it. Your camera's just sitting there while you're at work, right? Instead of letting it gather dust, why not let someone else use it and pay you for the privilege? Why not have it out there making you money instead? It's a simple way to turn your unused items into a source of income. It's like having your possessions work for you while you kick back and relax. Imagine earning money while you're watching TV, or even while you're sleeping. It's passive income at its finest, and it's a great way to put some extra cash in your pocket without lifting a finger. So, take a look around your home and start thinking about what you can rent out. Your stuff could be your next big money maker. Alright, let's talk affiliate marketing. This is one of the most exciting ways to earn money online, and it's accessible to almost everyone. Now this one's a game changer, people. Imagine turning your passion into profit by simply sharing what you love. It's like getting paid to share things you already love. Whether it's your favorite gadget, a book you couldn't put down, or a beauty product that works wonders. Here's the deal. You find a product or service you're obsessed with, something you genuinely believe in and use regularly. You sign up for their affiliate program, which is usually a quick and easy process, and they give you a special link. This link is unique to you and tracks any sales made through it. Then you share that link with your audience, whether it's on social media, your blog, or even just in casual conversation. The more you share, the higher your chances of earning. Every time someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you get a commission. It's that simple. And the best part? There's no limit to how much you can earn. Think about all the things you use and recommend on a daily basis. Clothes, makeup, tech gadgets, kitchen appliances, fitness gear, books. The possibilities are endless. You can turn any of these into a source of income, and there are affiliate programs for almost everything. From niche products to mainstream brands, there's something for everyone. Amazon Associates is a great place to start, offering a wide range of products to promote. Or you can check out ShareASale for even more options. They have a vast network of merchants and products. The key here is authenticity. Your audience can tell when you're being genuine. Don't just promote random stuff you don't care about. It won't resonate with your audience and could damage your credibility. Share what you genuinely love and believe in. Your passion and enthusiasm will be contagious. Your enthusiasm will shine through, making your recommendations more trustworthy and appealing. And people will be more likely to trust your recommendations. So start sharing and start earning today. Okay, this next side hustle is for all my introverts out there, because guess what? You don't even have to show your face. We're talking about YouTube automation channels. It's like the ultimate lazy hustle. Here's how it works. You create a channel based on a specific niche, but instead of filming yourself, you hire freelancers to create the content for you. Platforms like Fiverr are teaming with talented video editors and scriptwriters who can bring your vision to life. Now the trick here is to choose a niche with high ad revenue potential. Think finance, tech, business. These topics tend to attract advertisers with deep pockets. Once your channel is monetized, you'll start earning money every time someone watches your videos. And the best part? You can be completely hands-off once the content is created. It's like having your own little money-making machine running in the background while you focus on other things. Last but not least, let's talk subscription boxes. These things are everywhere these days, and for good reason. People love the surprise and delight of getting a curated box of goodies delivered to their doorstep every month. And the best part for you? Recurring revenue. That's right, once someone subscribes to your box, you've got a steady stream of income coming in month after month. Now, the key to success with subscription boxes is finding a niche that you're passionate about and that has a dedicated audience. Think self-care kits for stressed-out millennials, pet treats for pampered pooches, or even stationery supplies for organization enthusiasts. The possibilities are endless. Platforms like CrateJoy make it super easy to set up your own subscription box business. They handle everything from payment processing to shipping logistics, so you can focus on what you do best, curating awesome boxes that people will love. So there you have it, folks. 5 lazy side hustles that can help you rake in some serious cash without breaking a sweat. Remember, the key is to choose something you're passionate about and that aligns with your skills and interests. Don't be afraid to get creative and think outside the box, pun intended. The best time to start was yesterday, but the second best time is right now. So what are you waiting for? Pick a side hustle, take action, and watch the money roll in. I believe in you. These 5 lazy side hustles can help you earn $800 a day or more with minimal effort. The key is to start now and stay consistent. Which side hustle are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more money-making tips. See you in the next video.